My name is Umberto Mustica, Project Manager of MTM of Torino. MTM operates in the field of applied electronic engineering in many different sectors. Our team is composed by professionals who has transferred to MTM their very long experience in the following sectors: motorway, railway, aerospace and industrial automation. We have developed an innovative and ecological motorization system for the wind ventilator. Normally, the wind ventilator are activated by the wind, and the rotation produces the pressure inside the duct. And in this way, due to the difference of pressure between the flue and the room, the air escapes.
As shown in the video, it's not possible to guarantee a constant airflow. This flow is connected to the wind speed. If an air exchange is necessary, according to certain rules, this kind of ventilator is not the right choice. Present on the market since many years, we have realized a variant called ElectroAspiroMatic, the unique model of aeolic ventilator motorized by magnetic traction. The ElectroAspiroMatic is realized in three different versions: the 240 square base and stainless steel, the 240 round base always in stainless steel, and the 240 FTV stainless steel and supplied by a monocrystalline silicon high-performance photovoltaic module. The technical characteristics of every model are available for consult and download in PDF format. As you can see, it doesn't exist any engine installed on the impeller axis, and the transmission of motion is obtained by magnetic traction on board by means of an ecological and innovative special system without any mechanical contact. All parts of the ventilators are realized using aluminum and stainless steel, and no element is realized in galvanized sheet. This original solution offers big advantages. It allows the use of the ventilator even in absence of wind. In fact, in the civil and industrial buildings, the sanitary legislation requires a fixed and guaranteed exchange of air, and consequently, the traditional aeolic ventilators are not allowed. The ElectroAspiroMatic solves the problem with the minimum energetic consumed, only 24 watt for 300 cubic meter per hour. It generates a noise of only 35 decibel, measured at 1 meter from the ventilator, against the 55-80 decibel of the actual electric ventilator. ElectroAspiroMatic is particularly suggested for the extraction of hot smoke. During the laboratory tests, we have recorded a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius on the driver cooler, with extracting air at 250 degrees Celsius, measured at 50 centimeters from the impeller. The centrifugal ventilator actually on the market have the impeller connected to an electric motor, and the heat of the smoke in extraction increase the temperature of the motor itself. For this reason, this ventilator can operate only up to 60 to 80 degrees Celsius of the extracting smoke. A special model designed for a quick extraction of air can operate up to 450 degrees, but just only for 1 hour. The ElectroAspiroMatic, using only stainless steel and aluminum, can't generate any static electricity. The external positioning of the drivers exclude any overheating due to hot smoke extraction, and the aluminum of the drive covers can easily dissipate any heat. The ATEX anti-explosion centrifugal ventilator are suitable for evacuation of air from -20 to 40 degrees. The ventilators on the market suitable for hot air or in ATEX environmental are very expensive. ElectroAspiroMatic in all its versions is a product which can operate in the air exchange with high performances and low costs. The model supplied by photovoltaic module is very suitable for storage area. In many cases, these areas are situated for logistic reason in strategic zone without wind and electric power, but with a lot of sun. All our models have the possibility to overturn the impeller of 90 degrees. In this way, the inspection is very easy and don't request any removing of the ventilator from the base as in the traditional ventilator. We thank you very much for your attention and don't hesitate to contact us for any request.